Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this quick Canva Pro guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the background from any photo. Yeah, super clean and super easy. If you work with thumbnails, product shots, or, regular social posts, this is one of the tools you'll use all the time. All right, let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and log in to your Canva Pro account. Just the usual email and password. Once you're in, choose any design size. It can be a YouTube thumbnail, an Instagram post, or even a custom canvas. Anything works here. Next, upload the photo you want to edit. So just drag it in from your computer or use the Uploads panel on the left. Once it shows up, click your photo to place it on the canvas. All right, now here's where Canva Pro really shines. With your image selected, look at the top toolbar and click on Edit Image. Then scroll just a little bit until you see the option called Background Remover. Yeah, that's the magic button. After you click it, give it a moment, maybe a second or two. Canva will automatically detect the edges and cleanly cut out the subject. You don't have to do anything complicated. It just works. If you need to refine the edges, you can use the Erase and Restore brushes right below. Once the background is gone, you can resize it, move it around, or even drop in a new background behind it. Yeah, this is where you can get creative, add shadows, or apply color filters if you want. When you're happy with everything, go to the top right corner and click Download. Choose PNG if you want a transparent background, which is usually the best option. Then just save it to your device. And that's it. You just removed a background in Canva Pro using the 2026 workflow. Super quick, super clean. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and yeah, hit that little bell so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.